Hey guys, and welcome to the second step of your conference setup. We're going to be adding committees now, and they're important, of course, so delegates know what they can apply to. But it is also important for the application later on, where you might want them to submit preferences for those committees, and also even further on for your assignments, so you can assign those people who have applied to positions within those committees. Now, let's have a look at what your screen might look like right now. It's very red for the moment, but no worries, it's going to be done in a few steps and clicks. So we want to add a committee with a few countries in that committee. We can either click the link here or just go here on the left to committees. We click add committee, give it a name, let's call it the ski committee. Some difficulty, we can add that optionally, so it's going to be an intermediate committee. And then you have the option to choose the members either from a template and then customize it later, or we can select the members manually because there is no template for the ski committee, of course. So now it's time to select the members. Albania, Afghanistan, Argentina, Cambodia, good plan. We can also add custom members. So this is here in the bottom right. We can say glove skier as another member, add that guy, and have the pro skier girl in the game as well. Now, fantastic. That already gives us a good base to work on. Now, we click back just there, and now we're here in the overview of all our committees. And here you have a lot of great options actually. You can edit the details of your committee and, for example, add a description. We ski all day. Save changes. Awesome. We can also add topics, which is obviously important to attract a lot of delegates. So we say powder ski and free ski, whatever. Down here in the bottom right, we can also add chairs and invite chairs to be part of that committee. That's fantastic because that will allow delegates to later on upload their position papers through mymun and chairs to review them. And it will also give your conference a great deal of exposure, because if a delegate sees a chair they might know and they know it's a great chair, they might go and apply for your conference. So I always recommend you do that. Now, that's enough for us at the moment though. So we go back to our committee overview and are happy with what we created. As we go to our conference page and maybe switch to our visitor view, we see that on our committee page, our ski committee has been added. Fantastic, very happy with that. Now, what we can again do is go back to the admin view and check out our dashboard where, congratulations, the second step of our conference setup is now green and we're ready to go on to step 3. I wish you a lot of fun creating your committees, and we'll probably see you over there in step 3 as we set up payments.